Do you know that if you are using Hostinger and you have installed your WordPress website with the help of Hostinger, then you can access your WordPress admin panel without knowing your admin password. So for example, you have forgot your password or you did not write down the password when you created the WordPress website for you. So with the Hostinger, it is very easy. So you don't have to do anything. Just log into your Hostinger hPanel account and open the website, WordPress website that you have there. So for example, this is the website that I created with the help of the Hostinger. So I just opened it and this is the dashboard for that WordPress website. And on the dashboard, you would notice there is a button called WordPress admin. So if you click on that, it will redirect you to the WP admin of your WordPress website, and it would automatically log in for you without needing you to write down your password in the login form. So in this way, you don't even need to remember the username or password. You just log into your dashboard and click on that, and you will be able to access your admin panel without any hassle. And also, if you forgot your password and you would like to change the password, there are several ways that help you to recover your admin panel or your password. Like, you may need to access the files. You can go to the files of your WordPress or WordPress CLI or SSH access to your server, or direct database access in the table plus. So there are many ways. So this is one of the nice and decent way to change the password. You just click on the button, you will be landed to the dashboard of the WordPress, and from there you can go to the settings. And so here under the users, you will see that user that you want to use to change. So you can just click on the edit, and you can move forward and change the password. So on the bottom you will find the button set new password. So if you click on that, it will allow you to change the password. So it already generated a unique strong password for you. You can use it or you can use your own. Another quick way is that you just click on the profile under the users drop down menu, and you will be redirected to the same page where you will be able to change the password. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope that this video was useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.